Welcome. In this explainer, we're going to dive into how you can use AI for, well, one of the most critical parts of any business, compliance and risk management.
Just so you know, this is part 15 of a totally free 20-lesson tutorial. It's called Prompt Engineering Strategies, Getting the Results You Want While Protecting Privacy and Sensitive Information. And it's brought to you by Virtualization Options LLC. It's really designed for business pros just like you to help make AI a practical and safe tool for your company.
All right, so let's jump right in. To really get a handle on this, we first need to talk about a challenge that, honestly, almost every business faces.
So is your team just buried under a mountain of compliance paperwork and risk assessments? For most companies, the answer is a huge yes. Look, these tasks are non-negotiable, they're essential, but wow, are they time-consuming, complex, and let's be honest, kind of repetitive.
And we're not talking about small stuff here. The stakes are massive. You're constantly trying to navigate this endless sea of regulations that keeps changing. You're trying to dodge these massive fines that come with non-compliance. And you're trying to do it all without burning out your best people, the experts you really need focused on bigger things.
So the big question is, how do we get a handle on this mountain of work? Is there a better way? Well, this is exactly where a new generation of tools is starting to change the game.
It all comes down to something called prompt engineering. By learning how to write really clear, precise instructions, what we call prompts, you can turn an AI into a super-powered assistant. You can literally tell it to do the heavy lifting, like analyzing super dense documents and applying a whole set of rules.
And this is why AI is such a natural fit here. I mean, think about it. AI is built to process just insane amounts of text-based information. It can read, digest, and connect the dots across thousands of pages of regulations at a speed and scale that, well, a person just could never do.
Okay, that's the theory. But how does this actually work in the real world? Let's break down some key tasks this can help automate, things that could really change how you work.
We're going to zoom in on two absolute game changers. First, automating how you draft those really complex internal policies, and second, automating how you do risk assessments. Two huge areas.
So for policy drafting, it's actually pretty cool how it works. You basically give the AI the source material, the laws, the standards, then you tell it the scope. What's this policy for, who's it for, and then you just ask it to create a first draft. The key here is that it gives your experts a solid starting point, so they're not staring at a blank page. They can jump right into refining and perfecting it.
And it's a very similar idea for risk assessments. You can describe one of your business processes in your prompt, like really detail the workflow. Then you can ask the AI to brainstorm all the potential risks tied to that process. And you can even take it a step further and ask it to suggest some internal controls that could help manage each of those risks.
Okay, this all sounds great. But there is one thing, one absolutely critical factor that makes this whole thing work. And if you miss it, none of this matters.
It all comes down to this one phrase from the source material, while maintaining precision. It might sound small, but that phrase is everything. It's probably the most important thing to remember from this whole lesson, because in compliance, in risk management, there's just no room for almost or good enough.
So what does that mean for you? It means your prompts have to be more than just casual questions. They need to be engineered. You have to be incredibly specific, demanding factual accuracy and getting rid of any ambiguity. The goal isn't just a helpful answer, it's a precise, factually correct answer that you can actually rely on.
All right, let's start to wrap this up. I want to give you a little exercise so you can try this yourself, and then we'll quickly go over a few key terms, just to make sure we're all on the same page.
So here's a little something you can try later. Pick a really simple, common business process, something like, say, employee expense reporting. First, ask an AI to identify 3 potential risks with that process. Then, for each of those risks, ask it to suggest a specific internal control to deal with it. It's a super simple way to see this whole concept in action.
Okay, first term, regulatory compliance. This sounds complicated, but really it's just the official rule book. It's all the laws, regulations, and standards that your business has to follow to stay out of trouble.
Next up, risk assessment. This is basically the process of looking into the future and asking, what could go wrong here? It's a systematic way of identifying potential problems before they actually happen. And that brings us to internal controls. So if a risk assessment is about seeing the potential for a car crash, internal controls are the seatbelts, the airbags, and the good brakes you install. They're the specific policies and procedures you put in place to stop bad things from happening.
So let's leave it with this final thought.
Using AI for compliance and risk isn't some sci-fi future idea. It's a real, practical tool you can start using today. So the real question to ask yourself is, what's that one big, time-consuming compliance task that you could start automating, maybe even tomorrow?